Here are your ingredients. You will need chocolate chips, sugar, flour, brown sugar, vanilla extract, butter, salt, and baking powder. First, I'm going to add in my... Okay, so I want to say that I have done this a couple times, and the time I added 3 tablespoons of butter, it turned out better and less floury. So add 3 tablespoons of butter, not 2. Thank you. And 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then I'm going to add in my brown sugar, which is 1 tablespoon. Then I'm going to add in my sugar, 1 tablespoon. Next, I'm going to add in my baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon. And I'm going to add in just a pinch of salt. Give it some extra flavor. And I'm going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm just going to stir that up. So here's what that looks like right there. Now I'm going to add in my all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons. Stir that. So here we go, that's what that looks like. Now I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to mix that in with it. There we go, all mixed in. Now I'm just going to plop that in here. I'm gonna mash it down. Now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave. Now I'm gonna set it for 60 seconds. So you can put a scoop of ice cream on top of yours, but I'm just going to